What's up, guys? I'm at work right now, so I'm going to show you how to put LEDs in your PS3 controller. Alright, some of the things you're going to need to open the PS3. It's going to be like precision screwdriver set or any little tool, Phillips screwdriver that you can get your hands on. Also wire strippers. It can look like this or something like this. You can even do it just with like a little knife or some of these. Also, you're going to need a soldering iron and some solder. It usually comes in rolls, and also some LEDs. I chose red since my controller is red. See, if you turn it on, you can see the LEDs on this side, but there's no LED on the middle button. That's what we're going to do right now. Alright, you're going to want to get your little Phillips screwdriver, the star looking like one, and so you can open up all these little holes. It has a little screw at the bottom of each one, so just go ahead and take them off. Alright, once you take off all the screws, you're going to want to press down right here in the middle. Pops open. Okay, this is a battery right here. You're going to want to take it off. There's like a little pin on this side. You're going to want to take off that screw right there as well. And that should pop off. Alright, you're just going to want to flip it once you take the back off and the battery. And all your stuff is going to come off. And then just flip it over and put our LED. You see how it doesn't fit? We're going to have to open it and make it wider. All you have to do is get your little screwdriver thing. But make sure you don't get a really wide one. You're just going to start spinning it. Also, if your LED is too long, just go ahead and cut off a little bit of this part or sand it down so it just fits snugly in there.
Alright, our LED, the long side is positive and the short side is negative, so you just want to make sure you're soldering to the right side. For me, the green is going to be positive and white's going to be negative.
I'm home now, so I have some thinner wire. Alright, now we're going to work on the PS button, which is this center one right here. You're going to cut a hole inside of it. Not completely around the whole thing, but I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Alright, I made the hole. I just used a screwdriver, poked it all around, and popped it out. Once again, you do this with time, you can make it really clean, but I'm just trying to show you guys how to do this. Alright, so we have the LED already sitting inside the little hole that we made, inside that part, but underneath. Now all you have to do is just put all the buttons back on, put the little rubber plastic covers in here. Just go ahead and put that back in, and that should be good to go. Alright, so I soldered both parts, the negative, which is a little white wire, and the positive, which is a green wire. And you can see where I soldered them right there. Push the back button a little bit and just slide it in, and then same for the other side. And there's like little tabs on the sides for the bottom part, and just kind of pop them in place. Alright, so now that you have all your top buttons in place, just make sure the battery is into the holder and make sure these are good, because sometimes there's a little spring on the side and it can pop off. Once you have all that ready, just go ahead and slide the top part and just kind of wiggle it on. Make sure you pop on the front part and all the sides, and then we're gonna go ahead and put all the screws back in. Alright, so now that you finished putting all the screws on the back, you're ready to go. Just turn it on, and there you go.